All right, for number 7, we're asked to completely factor this polynomial, x to the 4th plus 12x cubed plus 38x squared plus 12x minus 63. And to help us factor this, we've been told that a factor of this is x squared plus 6x plus 9. In other words, x squared plus 6x plus 9 divides evenly into this. So we should be able to perform this long division and come out with a remainder of 0. And then once we are done with that, we'll take this factor and the factor that we're left with after the division and see if we can factor those some more, get them down to where this polynomial is completely factored. All right, let's start with this long division. We need to know, what do we have to multiply x squared by to get x to the 4th? So that's going to be x squared. And so let's put an x squared here. X squared times x squared is going to be x to the 4th. And then x squared times 6x is going to be 6x cubed. X squared times 9 is 9x squared. All right, and now let's subtract these. So we're going to subtract this from the first 3 terms of this polynomial. So x to the 4th minus x to the 4th is 0. 12x cubed minus 6x cubed is 6x cubed. 38x squared minus 9x squared is 29x squared. All right, then we're going to drop down that 12x. And then we do the same thing again. So what do we need to multiply x squared by to get 6x cubed? Well, that's going to be 6x. 6x times x squared is 6x cubed. 6x times 6x is going to be 36x squared. Then 6x times 9 is going to be 54x. Subtract those. 6x cubed minus 6x cubed is 0. 29x squared minus 36x squared gives us negative 7x squared. 12x minus 5x, or 12x minus 54x is going to be negative 42x. And then we'll drop down this negative 63. All right, one more time. What do we need to multiply x squared by to get negative 7x squared? Well, that's going to be negative 7. All right, and then we multiply this through. X squared times negative 7 times x squared is negative 7x squared. Negative 7 times 6x is negative 42x. And negative 7 times 9 is negative 63. And when we subtract those, we get a remainder of 0, which is what we expected to happen, given that the book told us that this was a factor of this. So now we've broken this down into this times this. That's what we do when we divide. We break things down into factors. So we've got 2 factors now, and so I'm going to erase all of this. And I'm going to set this up like that. So now this is equal to our original polynomial. And we know that because we divided that by this and we got that. So these 2 multiplied together give us that polynomial that we started off with. Now let's see if we can factor these some more. So here, let's see, we need 2 numbers that multiply to 9 and add to 6. Well, that's going to be 3 and 3. Up here, we need 2 numbers that multiply to negative 7 and add to 6. So that's going to be positive 7, and negative 1. All right, and so notice we've got x plus 3 and x plus 3. That's just x plus 3 squared, and so we can write this like that, times x plus 7 times x minus 1. And that's our answer. That is our original polynomial fully factored.